feel like Thanos in that hole. I just gained. Looking at what the fuck?
Remember I ain't have a whip, now I'm sliding through this.
What's up? Damn, nigga, don't start. Damn, nigga already starting to get to work and shit. Damn, nigga, hold on.
Oh, you gonna be? Oh, I was trying to see what you went.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Jeremy here, back with another video. I got my boy Scour here. He over here geeking. This nigga already trying to get to work and shit. I'm like, damn, I gotta do the intro first.
Like, get this shit done, bro.
As you can see today, we got the Airaid cold air intake. I didn't get the red or blue intake. I got the black. So the whole car and the whole concept of my car is being white and black. Sky finna help me install this motherfucker, and then we just gonna.
I really don't know what I'm doing, but
shit, we both don't know what the fuck we doing, but we just gonna at least try and see what the fuck we doing, and we're gonna try to get this shit done.
Only way you can learn is by taking shit apart and putting it back together.
Don't, yeah, shit. You scam me saying that shit. You scam me, brother. I can't lie. You scam me, dog. You scam me, dude. You scaring me. But y'all just tune in. We gonna let y'all know what's up once we get everything going.
Let's just go in here.
Oh shit.
It go like that.
Oh shit, you know shit. You the import. Be top. You the nigga in the fucking do this shit. I think I don't know what the fuck he doing. 10 days later.
Bro.
Bro, damn, that nigga.
It's taking this bitch off, bro. It's cause that shit's so damn. First thing you wanna do, you wanna take off this bolt right here. So what's keeping this right here.
It's rule number one, take off a boat that this nigga can't even take off. So he can't even take this motherfucker off. But he telling y'all to take this motherfucker off. Oh, the whole unscrewing and shit?
Yeah.
Oh shit, he know what he doing, yo.
Crazy ass nigga. Hey, whoa. You gotta unscrew that first, bro.
Oh, you do?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm gonna fuck some shit up.
Don't rip that whole thing out, bro.
No, I thought on video he was just like, use this red, it's a red, come on, it's a red tab on here, you just pull it out.
Yeah, but you gotta unscrew. Oh no, you right. It's a red tab right there.
This nigga. But he said sometimes you might have to use a screwdriver for help, but that shit.
Alright, look. Take it under here. You see that red piece right there? No. Just do it with your finger, your hand. And pull it out. Yeah.
Oh, I got you. There we go. Look at me on helping. Look at me.
Unscrew that part.
The worst mechanic, man.
Unscrew that, but don't unscrew it all the way. Just unscrew it a little bit.
A little bit, cause that's already, pretty much done, G.
Nah, keep going. You need to get it to all the way up there. It's like, that's basically to tighten it, kinda. You feel me? They know what they know it. Whoever watching this know. Nah, alright.
You bitch ass nigga.
Maybe you're supposed to do that last.
Yeah, I think we did.
Ain't that what he said in the video?
Piece.
Yeah.
Like the plug piece. So.
Yeah.
Shit. Yeah, there we go.
Let's see what it looks like. Oh, it ain't that bad. It ain't bad at all.
Now this is like fairly new though.
Yeah.
Cause I
look new.
I let Firestone do that shit.
Oh, for they just did it.
Like probably like 2 or 3 months ago.
Yeah, that shit look good as fuck. I would keep that. Come on now, bro.
Freak ass nigga. My thought about it some shit. I need a BBK. My goal for this car is beautiful. Beautiful. Marvelous. Scrumptious thing. Look at it. My goal for it was me and Scott got big plans coming up in the near future, probably next year or so. And Scott goals was we kind of wanted to take like the smart, cheaper route. We kind of wanted to pay our cars off and then
I'm still paying on that right there. That's me.
Yeah, got a piece of shit back there. But we wanted to pay our cars off and then get the V8s eventually. You know, we was probably hoping to get. Hopefully, I pay this shit out by next year. Then after that, probably save for a 5-0 or do what we gotta do. Yeah. Sky want to scat. Oh shit. Sky want to scat.
Saw that shit.
Yeah. Had to go black. Had to go black, man. Had to go black. Black Spider-Man and shit. Miles, I don't know black, I forgot.
Morales.
Miles Morales.
You watch that shit?
Yeah.
That shit go hard as fuck. That shit was crazy as hell.
I'm assuming it go like this right here. Like this. You put this on top of here. That shit. Crazy. Do what mileage what I put in there?
As long as the what you call is line up, the screws.
I feel like Thanos in the hole. I just gained. Looking at what the fuck? You know the hook. The hook, put the hook. I'm okay. Nigga finally snapped this shit. That's some crazy ass shit. Out of the whole experience, this shit right here with the whole shit put on. This rubber black piece of shit. Bro, this shit was the worst shit I ever did in my fucking life. I ain't never did in my car miles in my piece of shit ass car.
I work at 1:30, bro. It's 2:04.
Yeah, fuck it.
It was worth it though, bro.
But go ahead and start this bitch just so we can hear this bitch.
It was worth it.
Rev it right quick. Hear that hoe? I hear that hoe. I hear that hoe. I hear that hoe, fool. Oh, choo! Choo!
Let me see.
Choo!
Bro, hold on. Do it again. That bitch is.
Look at
You
that.
gay as hell, bro. You look gay as fuck doing this shit.
Oh my, oh.
Hey, that's hard.
It's your nigga clean.
Now, bro. I'm a mechanic, bro. I'm a mechanic.
I'm gonna get back with y'all niggas probably tomorrow or tonight. When I get off, I gotta rush to fucking work. And then I'm gonna let y'all know my first opinions and everything, how I feel about it. I appreciate my nigga Sky though. My nigga Sky, a real ass nigga, bro, for sure. Oh, choo-choo! Do that one more time. Do that one. Choo-choo! That whole sound more scary now though too. That whole sound more scary. But I'm gonna get up with y'all young boys tomorrow.
Bitch, I be high as a blimp. I can walk on the stars and talk to the moon. They know I be hot as the first day of June. I slide in that pussy like Gooey Lagoon. Ayy, I know my niggas gon' ride. If I say the words, you can't run, you